is paprika, cumin, parsley, culantro, garbanzo beans. They've been soaked for 12 to 14 hours with Bio-carbonato. We start with, let's say for you people, so we feel good, 7, 8 garlic, 1 onion, white onion goes in, a lot of culantro, cilantro, kusbara, a lot of parsley, perejil, petrosillia, in any language that you guys want. All right, as you can see, pulsing it. And now we're gonna start adding the garbanzos. 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Bio-carbonato. Give it a little bit mix. We are using almond flour, so gluten-free can eat it too. I'm putting 2 shallow tablespoons. And very important, I want to see it very green. And this is the texture that we want to get into. All right, soon enough, they're gonna make them into shape.